हो गई फसल तैयार। महीनों की मेहनत।
रेट बताओ, कितने में बेचोगे?
भैया मेहनत तो बहुत लगी है, कम से कम 1000 रुपये तो मिलने ही चाहिए।
इतना मत सोचो, इतना ही मिलेगा। लेना है तो लो, वरना छोड़ दो।
ठीक है, दे दो।
सही दाम लग गया, आज अच्छा मुनाफा होगा।
अरे भाई, सिर्फ इतना ही मिला? मैं तो कृषि सहायक पे बेचता हूँ।
So this is the solution, the Krishi Sahayak website, where the farmer can choose two options as language English and Hindi, and then he can log in. I've already created an account, so I'll log in. And then he's presented with all these buttons to help him. The first is sell, which is the most important. Next comes technological and institutional reform, which has details of all the current government policies which are helpful to the farmer. Next is agri needs, via which the farmer can buy fertilizers and agricultural equipments. Then comes weather updates, via which you can see the weather office area, irrigation, which will educate him on irrigation system, banks which can lend him loan, government appliance, etc. The sell button, via the sell button, the farmer can post his crops and the amount, for example, wheat and 200 kgs, and these will be directly visible to the consumer, eliminating the middleman in the process. For example, now if I log in from a consumer, I've already made an account. He can see the view stock button, which will redirect him to the details of all the stock of crops along with the farmer's contact number and city, so that he can call the farmer directly and buy the crop from them.
A farmer who feeds a whole nation cannot even feed his own family. Most of the farmers in India earn only 27 rupees a day. My project is aimed to increase this number exponentially and make the farmers lead a happy life. Thank you.
मजबूत किसान, देश महान।